What is up, everyone? I wished I was working on the 33, but we ordered the cam and crank trigger kit that we need to get it running, so I'll be here in a few days. But today is a snowstorm. Yep. Second snowstorm of the year. It's coming down pretty good. It's been snowing all morning. It's gonna snow all night. It's gonna be a mess, but we're down here, of course, because we're here every freaking day. The last couple of days I haven't filmed, so I didn't want to really jump into anything new until the 33 was finished, so I've been kind of weird with videos, but the last couple of days I've been working my butt off to get a bunch of stuff done I've been putting off. The S13 runs right now. I'd start it, but I don't have a battery, but S13 is running. It sounds amazing. I'm so happy. And then I got into Sonda running again. I did a bunch of stuff in the 33, and I had this mystery coolant leak on the E36 that I finally figured out. So, made good progress the last few days. But today, I want to play around because we have the Cherry Carry, the off-road monster, and a bunch of snow. So, I think we should just go have some fun today. I have not touched this thing since the last snowstorm, and we beat the living ass off of it. So, that's good throttle response. If you guys remember, last time we drove this thing, it was running really bad and we were beating the living ass off of it. Seems good now, so hopefully it's still good once it warms up. You know, it feels really fun in here, but it probably looks so dumb from the outside. I forgot how tight it was in here, dude. Look at me, I'm wedged.
It feels even tighter with these big jackets on.
And it's funny because when you're on the inside of it, it feels like you're so sideways, and it feels like it's going so fast, and you watch the outside footage, and you're just
you're like staying still.
I think since it's a cab over, it just looks like you're not sideways at all.
Yeah, you know what? That is a good way to put it. It does make it look funny.
Ah! All right, well, we don't have much angle to work with. If you guys haven't heard me a million times before, this one's got the locking rear diff, and that's why we're kind of able just to drift it, because it basically turns it into a welded out of bun. But in all-wheel drive, this thing is unstoppable.
It is. It's a tank.
Well, unfortunately, it doesn't really drift in all-wheel drive. It sucks, is in all-wheel drive, the thing just wants to go straight. So, I wish we could do all-wheel drive drifts, because we go a lot faster. I'm not gonna lie, I drove the Daihatsu to the shop this morning, completely put the thing backwards on a main road, going like 40. I swear to God, I wish I could have filmed it. Driving along, being way too confident, and I caught like a dry spot, and it just spun me like a top.
That's hilarious.
Real awkward.
Love it. Love it.
This poor thing. Here we go.
They're open.
They're open. Forgot my mask. This worked.
It looks like it works.
Yeah, that looked weird.
Weirder than normal?
Fair enough.
Alright, long one goes on the driver's side.
Nice.
Yeah. I can't get in.
I wish I had enough room to go pick up Donald in this thing.
We can put him in the back.
Oh, dude, the carry's a hitter. Wow, we're swinging, dude. All right. This is a parking lot, but it's a pretty big parking lot, so we're gonna see if we can get enough speed to really swing it. I can't see anything. Oh! So much angle. I get.
Jeez, he's cruising. I can't see anything. There's so much snow.
There we go, there we go. Come on, Carrie, you got this, you got this. There's so much snow right here. I'm so proud of this thing. Dude, the carry's hitting today.
Dude, it's cruising. Here, hold this for a second so I can put my gloves on.
It feels so much faster than it looks.
Oh my God.
Did it look like it was trucking?
No, it looked like it was fucking cruising, dude.
I'm so proud of this thing. All right, so in the beginning of the video, I said that you really can't drift in all-wheel drive. You can. You just gotta. You really have to throw the thing. You doing okay there, buddy?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get warmed up here.
I haven't had to put it in 4 low yet. All right, you go have fun. Give it a shot. My tip is don't lift, right?
Okay.
Exaggerate the swing.
Yep.
Swing it really hard, and if it feels like it's gonna spin out, it's not going to. Just stay on the throttle.
Your nose is bleeding.
I'm having a lot of fun.
Okay.
When the air gets dry, if you guys have the same issue, you know. Yeah, I don't know. Could you drive this with those boots?
We're gonna fucking find out.
Just beat the crap out of it. You gotta.
Yes, sir.
Nice work, RJ. Oh my God, I need another one with a locking diff so we can do tandems. Yes, RJ. Yes. Dude, look at him get it.
I can't see anything.
You having fun?
Yeah.
It looks like it.
I can't see shit.
I'm impressed. There we go, dude. I hope that footage was even visible because this thing was caked in snow.
It doesn't look like it's snowing that hard, but it's coming down.
This thing barely has enough power to move out of its own way, and I'm so impressed that it just cranks through all this snow.
Never lift, right?
Never lift.
Never lift.
Wish we could find another one so we could do tandems, because mini truck tandems would be the most gangster thing I could think of.
It would be pretty dope, honestly.
I got a little greedy on that one.
Dude, that was hilarious.
I might have to try that again.
That front wheel's gonna fall off.
Is it wobbling back?
Oh yeah, it's that front wheel for sure. I think the wheel hub is broken.
That was hard. That was a curve. Cannot tell where the road is. Cannot tell where the curbs are. That was a curve.
Yeah, I heard it, dude.
Oh, dude,
I couldn't.
I
couldn't see it. My glasses were so fogged. All I heard was goosh.
Oh, I was like, this is going well. That's definitely not a curve. Goof. That's a curve.
Oh my god.
Look at it. Look at the dirt in that one. That might have straightened the wheel out, to be honest.
This poor carry. It's a tank though.
Doing good. We should probably get back to the shop and make sure everything's okay.
Yeah, here, let me get it in the car.
Oh, it's so bad. Look at this thing. It's so bad. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, these wheels are like 40 bucks a pop. For $40, I'll happily risk them every time.
Let's get back to the shop.
Dude, this thing hits downhill. Oh! We got it, baby!
3 seconds before that clip. Jimmy, let's bring this thing home and park it before we push our luck. Well, let me go 40 downhill sideways. Quick, let's go. Ah! What is that noise? Oh, it's the horn. I didn't know what that noise was. It freaked me out so bad. I thought there was a tractor trailer.
You thought we were gonna die.
I was like, why does it have an emergency alarm?
To be honest, this is the worst.
Dude, its voice is so loud. It sounds like a tractor trailer.
I love that. I wish you guys could have saw RJ's face. Nothing to see here, boys. Nice Sierra, dork. Oh my god.
Oh, that wheel bearing is destroyed.
No.
tight?
The lugs backed off.
Oh, they did? Ah! We were sending this thing.
Dude, I broke the wheel.
Yeah. Oh man, I see that.
Look at it, broke the wheel. I'm surprised it didn't break a stud. I mean, it's pretty dumb of me to not turn around and tighten these, but when you're in the moment, you know?
Heat of the moment.
You know what though? Of all the things this thing has been through, I'm not surprised the lug nuts are loose.
Yeah, seriously.
I usually check them this is the first time I haven't checked them before we took it out.
Really?
Yeah, because it uses a quad lug nut because it's a quad wheel, and come on.
It's sketchy to begin with,
That's what
and
I'm
then on
saying.
top of that, all you do is fuck it up.
All this truck does is vibrate.
Yo,
All right, easy
dangerous
fix.
things are always hilarious when everyone survives.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
You idiot, check your lug nuts. The wheel bearing, on the other hand, is tight.
That's
could
good.
you tell?
That's good. It's just the wheel.
These wheels are literally $40 a piece wheel.
Yeah, no, I know.
Might as well just order 4 more.
Look at. This dude's been aimlessly plowing the parking lot for the last like 10 hours.
They're finally getting to the point where you can see the asphalt again.
Give it 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Nice work, buddy. All right, so even though I'd rather be out playing with the carrier right now, it's good. The wheel's just a little bent. Lug nuts are now tight. So embarrassing. I do want to get some stuff done. So like I said, I spent the whole weekend just getting a bunch of random stuff done. The Civic and the S13 now run. I wish I would show you, but we're gonna hop back into those cars very shortly. I'm very excited about it, and I'm gonna save it. So just stay tuned. But really one thing left to this whole thing right here besides the cam and crank pickup kit and a tune, obviously, until it's like a running, driving, like good to go car, and well, that is the fuel pump. I got a DW300. Now the DW series is really awesome because even though it says 300, they tend to flow a little bit more. They kind of crap on the Walbro pumps, so you really can't beat it. The 300 is plenty for pump gas and ethanol in my case. You can make pretty good power on that thing with ethanol on a straight 6, so we're good to go. So this one's actually pretty easy. The fuel pump hanger is actually right under here. If you guys didn't know, the 33 comes factory with the battery in the trunk, so does the 34. I think that is a super cool touch because obviously most guys relocate their battery to the trunk anyway, so unplug it. Cool. Now the goal is to not break any of these because they get kind of brittle. There we go. All right, this is what we got. We got the top hat that you guys saw, and then the hanger is actually separate. So you can see this actually clicks into the side of the gas tank. It was, the S14's kind of a pain in the ass, so I'm happy this one wasn't. So, as you can tell, the line's crusty, the fuel pump's old and bulky, and we'll be throwing this pump in there. So, this is like the R33 install kit, so basically, it just kind of comes with a bushing that makes it fit on there. So, I have to splice these wires into here. We should be good to go, so let's make that happen. Use like normal clamps, you know?
Yeah.
Well, don't let the size fool you, boys. Get the sock on.
Is that what they call that?
Yeah, sock. You ever do that cheat code? A little sideways.
No, I've never done
It's a good way to break your clamp in half. Boom. Right?
Yeah?
Hey, look at that, dude. Little uninsulated butt connector. Yeah.
That ain't going nowhere.
So now all we need is to replace this junk ass hose, which, oh my god, dude.
How bad it is.
There we go, clamped on. That's it. This is the unit. Cleaned it up a little bit. We're good to go. A little bit of upgrade. Right? Oh, I love it. My gas tank's nice and full.
Your gas tanks are never full.
This was the daily. I hate this. Is it in? Can you feel it?
Are you having fun
Are
yet?
you having fun yet? Definitely the wrong hole.
A berry to the Subarus.
Whoo! Yeah, that's why I didn't take one out.
Damn. They're such a. How do they become such a weird shape? Look at Adam's hood. It's like 1.5 feet wider than the rest of the car. I think we could still get one started. I heard a lot of yelling over here.
I wish I could like, you know, stick the camera in the gas tank and show you, but I can't. But it's just like after wiggling around for 10 minutes, it just slipped in. You know, you know how it goes.
Amateur things.
All right, it's back in.
Look at that.
Easy peasy. So this is a fuel line I'm definitely gonna want to replace soon, but I'll wait until we put on ethanol to do that, just to kind of get the car going. But what I'm excited to see is how much faster it builds fuel pressure, because I don't know if they remember, but I'll probably put the clip in of how slowly it built fuel pressure before. Let's go test it out real quick and see.
Right.
Oh! Let's see how much faster this goes on. That was like instant, and that's how it should be. Just flowing fuel through there. That's crazy. As you can see, there's quite a difference, and well, we're good to go now, so. I got an audience. What's up, guys?
Good job, Jimmy.
Thank you. Clap for me. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Sam. Thank you. Yeah, all right. Whatever. All right. All right, but I'm gonna end it there for today. The mini truck, I think, is good now. The lug nuts are tight. Shame on me. Whatever. So it is still snowing out, and just so you guys can get a better idea, this guy has been plowing our parking lot for literally the whole entire day, and it still looks insane out there. So much snow. So, should be a fun ride home. I'm gonna take the Carrie and hopefully she makes it. So, we're gonna head there. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys probably tomorrow.